Step into the vibrant world of Peckham, where student living reaches new heights of excitement and comfort, offering an array of studios and ensuites and shared apartments. Each space boasts a large window, ensuring plenty of natural light to brighten your days. Sink into the comfort of a soft bed with convenient underbed storage, while the study desk equipped with drawers and an overhead shelf sets the stage for academic excellence. With a spacious wardrobe to house your clothing and accessories, you'll find ample storage solutions to keep your space organized and clutter-free. When it's time to unwind, indulge in some friendly competition in the karaoke room or catch a blockbuster in the cinema room. The on-site gym offers the perfect opportunity to squeeze in a workout before class. With its prime location, Peckham puts you within easy reach of top-tier educational institutions like the University of the Arts and Northeastern University London. Surround yourself with an abundance of dining and entertainment options, with restaurants, cafes, and bars just steps away. Indulge in a tasty kebab from the Gourmet Cafe Kebab or savor a meal at Mingles Bar and Restaurant. For a night out, the Nickel Bar offers the perfect setting to unwind with friends. Ready to experience the excitement of student living at Peckham? Reserve your spot today and embark on a journey filled with endless possibilities.